Alright, this video is to help with 9.3, question number 5. We have to find the 8th term in the sequence. So we know the first 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. And so again, the term number is called n, and the value is a sub n. So we want to find a sub n for number 8. So there's a couple ways. One, you can just extend it out using the pattern. So this pattern is a times 3 pattern. So you can just take 27 times 3. Okay, and then I started using my calculator. So 81 times 3 was 242, or no, 243. And then times 3 again, 729. It's getting big fast. Times 3. All right, and then times 3 again. So 6561. Yes, that's probably the easiest way, but it would be a lot harder if it said, like, say the 20th term, right? If we had to find the 20th term, that would take us a long time and be writing for a long, long time to do this. So luckily this one we only had to find the 8th term. But if we had to find something bigger, we'd probably want to use our formula. So the formula again says any value is equal to a sub 1 times r to the n minus 1 power. And in this case, a sub 1 is 3. And then we're multiplying by 3. So that's r, n minus 1 times. So this 8th term here, a sub 8, is really 3 times 3, 7 times. If I do 8 minus 1, it would be 3 to the 7th, right? And so then you could just type all that in your calculator and get the same result. So we could just do 3 times 3 hat 7, and we get that same number, right? So that would be an alternate way to do it. Long term, I think it's probably better to know these formulas and know how to use them. The formulas will be given to you on the test. You just have to know how to use them. So 6, 5, 6, 1 looks like the right answer there. All right, hope that helps.